Murph is the name given to a benchmark workout commonly performed by most CrossFitters around the world on Memorial Day, which is on the 25th of May. It's named after Lieutenant Mike Murphy, who used to perform this workout, which he personally called body armor, which is 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups and 300 air squats. Usually you can perform it sort of unpartitioned, right? You go for a 1 mile run, hit the repetitions in between, followed by a 1 mile run, or you could partition it up and break the gymnastics as you see fit, usually in 10s or 20s. But the traditional way is to do it unpartitioned. Most people aim to get it done under an hour, and it's a fantastic measure of fitness. For me, it's mainly just a benchmark workout. I see it as a fantastic opportunity once a year to measure aerobic fitness and gymnastic capacity. It has proven to be an integral part of the CrossFit Games the past couple of years, as well as locally here at Fitness in Cape Town. Some version or iteration of the workout has sprung up. So knowing what you can do with this workout is a pretty good tool to have in your toolkit as an athlete.